When it comes to other people's ideas, I don't really like to be critical, unless those ideas are really dumb. Which brings us to today's video, 30 dumb ideas for your workshop.
My all-purpose electric hammer for all your pounding needs.
Over the years, I've done a few videos on dumb ideas. Now, I'm talking about hacks and inventions that people try to use for storage, organizing, tools, and other things around your shop. So this video is going to be a compilation of all those dumb ideas plus some new ones that you haven't seen before. Now, let the stupid begin. Sometimes I've just got to scratch my head at the things that people come up with. A drill holster? Hey, this gives me an idea! This is about as good as if I hung my own pants on the wall and used it to store tools. Genius!
Whatever.
Speaking of pants, how about a denim apron? I guess I shouldn't knock it until I've tried it. There, I tried it. It's still dumb. This storage idea takes up valuable space just to store 14 different items. Similar to the last one, this is a lot of work and a lot of space for not a lot of storage. Now, if I stored all my stuff this way, I'd need a house the size of Home Depot. Gee, I can store 5 pans in this space. Do you know how many pans I have? This is pointless. At first, this one doesn't look like a bad idea, but once reality kicks in, you realize that it is. I don't have bulk quantities of hardware, and if I did, this is not how I'd store them. Here's another magazine post, storing parts in an ice cube tray. If I need to tell you why this is a dumb idea, then you're probably storing your hardware in an ice cube tray. For painting an object all the way to the bottom. There are so many other safer and sane ways you can do this. Like how about just sticking one push pin in the bottom of each leg? And where exactly would you store this bed of danger?
Danger, Will Robinson! Danger!
Attach a flashlight to your shop hose vac so you can see where you're vacuuming. Sorry to say, but this one sucks. Using something like this to store your vacuum hose parts is a waste of space. And who has only 3 small attachments anyway? Besides, those 3-way PVC adapters, they're not cheap. A winding extension cord reeler. This one is not a horrible idea, I just think it's overkill. It's bulky, not easy to store. I'd just get one like this. I find them at estate sales all the time. This type of storage is great if this is all you ever store in your garage. We all accumulate, and this storage does not adapt well if you get more stuff. This is a Shark Tank idea that has made millions. I always find it interesting when someone overkills an idea that can be accomplished so much easier. I do give them credit, but I'd never buy one. Get ready, a quick draw painting holster. How long do you think it'll take before you had paint all over your clothes using this? I guess you could put it over your denim apron. I could see doing this if you had 1 or 2 clamps. I have 8. Also, I'd question the safety of this design. You did it. You made it through 15 really dumb ideas, or 16 if you count my really cool wall-mounted pants tool holder. Before I show you the next 15, we're going to check in with Homer Simpson to see what he's up to.
But now, with a lazy man reclining toilet chair, you can just lean back and let her rip.
This is for storing your plywood scraps. Looks like a tripping hazard to me. Why not just lean them against the wall without the ladder? And if you did want one like this, you could just make it out of 2x4s to the exact size you need. I think this one just might be the better of all the dumb ideas. Now, most socket and wrench sets already come in a form-fitting case which you can store easily. I can actually see some use for this, but it's just not for me. The problem with gluing a part to the front of the drawer might seem like a great idea at first. I, however, use the dividers in the drawer to store multiple parts. Besides, the drawers are clear. Can't you just see the part inside the drawer anyway? Here's 5 different ways to store a pencil. I mean, they're okay, but none of them really thrill me. You can store a pencil just about anywhere. I don't know why they need such special attention. The next 10 dumb ideas is someone trying to be clever with PVC pipe. I've got too many tools to dedicate a PVC pipe to each one. Why exactly? Really? Would you wear this? Would you wear it on your denim apron? Try this and be the nerd in your neighborhood. Now, is it that hard to funnel oil into a milk container? And do you have that much oil that you need to make a 4-port draining system? Here, you'd have to pull out all the tubes just to find the one you're looking for. Again, someone just trying to be clever with PVC. There's so many better ways to store screws. And no, this is not one of them. What's the point here? The PVC just takes up valuable storage space and serves no real purpose. This one is dumb for a couple of reasons. Reusing containers is obvious. They're not a great storage solution on a wide scale. Here and there is fine. Also, look at this can here. This appears to be a staged photo as it says mineral spirits and it's in a soup can without a lid. There you have it, folks. 30 dumb ideas. But don't just take my word for it. Let's ask someone who's completely independent.
I'm just saying these particular inventions are awful.
Thanks, Marge. I'm Tom. This is Alley Picked, and until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.